How to use whiteboard for collaboration on your Zoom. So the very first thing to do is obviously just get into a meeting just like this, right? So after doing that, now what are we going to do is simply tap on the whiteboard icon that you'll be able to see on the bottom of your meeting right here. Tap on more, you'll be able to see host tools. Simply tap on that one if you are a host, or you can simply tap on the option tools and simply you'll be able to see the option of whiteboard. Simply tap on new whiteboard, then choose either collaborate or present to only for you to edit. And then what you're going to do is use the left hand toolbar that you'll be able to see on the left side, then select the pens, text tools, sticky notes, shapes or templates. Then if you want to share it, then tap on the share option in the top right corner that you'll be able to see in order to export or share that whiteboard after the meeting. And that is how you will be able to use your whiteboard for collaboration. I hope this video was helpful to you guys.